Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to open Standard Chartered bank account online. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for Standard Chartered account opening. Click on this first website over here. Now here we can see this option called open an account. So let's tap on this. Now choose the type of account you want. So let's choose this one and finally click on apply now. Now here we need to enter all of our details here. And once you are done entering all of your personal details, mobile number, email address, finally click on OK submit. After this we get into next step in which we need to enter our employment details. We need to enter our identification details as well. After which we need to provide the identification card or our ID as well. Once we are done with all of the details and the verification, we get into next step on which our account will finally be created. So this is all we can do to open Standard Chartered bank account online. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.